The quickest way to clear the fractions here and make y the subject is to multiply by the common denominator, and the common denominator here is x brackets x plus 4. So I'm going to multiply the whole thing by x plus 4. Now I'm going to write this out in full. So the first fraction, if I multiply that by x plus 4, becomes y x plus 4, because it's the top of the fraction that needs to be multiplied by the x plus 4, and that's over x. Second term, if I multiply that by x plus 4, I'm going to get 2y x plus 4, and that's over x plus 4. And I mustn't forget also to multiply the right hand side by x plus 4 to give me 3x x plus 4. Now the reason I've done that, it looks a bit messy at the moment, is because here the x's will cancel, here the x plus 4's will cancel. So the left hand side becomes y brackets x plus 4 plus 2yx is equal to, and I'm going to remove the brackets here as well, 3x squared plus 12x. Removing the brackets on the left hand side here, I've got xy plus 4y plus 2xy is equal to 3x squared plus 12x. So I can see on the left hand side that I can do xy plus 2xy, so I get 3xy plus 4y is equal to 3x squared plus 12x. Now I need to make y the subject, and in order to make y the subject, y has got to appear only once. I've only got y's on this side, so what I'm going to do now is factorise, so that on the left hand side I've got y, and then in brackets 3x plus 4 is equal to 3x squared plus 12x. And the only thing that remains for me to do now to make y the subject, I'm going to divide by this bracket, so y is going to equal 3x squared plus 12x divided by 3x plus 4. Now an alternative way to have done that would have been to add the two fractions on the left hand side. Now in order to do that, the common denominator is x times x plus 4. I'm going to write both fractions, so the common denominator is x plus 4. Don't do anything with the right hand side, because all I'm doing is adding the two fractions on the left. So look at the first fraction, y over x. To make the bottom into x plus 4, I've multiplied the bottom by x plus 4. So I'm also going to multiply the top, which is y, by x plus 4. Okay, if I look at my second fraction here, 2y over x plus 4, what have I done to the bottom? Well, I've multiplied it by x. So what do I do to the top? Well, I also multiply it by x. So 2y multiplied by x is going to be 2yx. You can see now that if I multiply by the bottom, I'm going to get y brackets x plus 4 plus 2yx, and then the right hand side, because I'm multiplying by x plus 4, becomes 3x x plus 4, and I'm back at this same stage here, and I can carry on through. It's quicker though, this way is a little bit quicker.